How to use Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you the basics of how you can use Facebook, or what are the basics of using Facebook. Now you can always sign up for a new account easily on Facebook by using your Gmail or your phone number. Once you sign in and log it up, you can open it up, and here now you can see the interface you'll get on Facebook like this. Now you can head into the friend icon that you can see just beside the home icon there, and you'll be able to receive friend request here. If you have received, it'll pop up here. You can confirm friend request or add them friend, or you can delete the friend request if you want. And if you scroll down below, you'll find the option people you may know that will be suggested to you. You can send them friend request through here. Now the other option is here, Reels. By tapping on the Reels icon beside the messaging icon, you'll be able to view Reels. And you'll find the option Marketplace as well, where you'll find various items listed on the Marketplace. And notifications, you can find it under the ring icon that you can see, bell icon. And now on Facebook privacy settings or Facebook settings, what you can do is tap on the three horizontal line icon, and then here you'll find various options. You'll find shortcuts to groups, any groups that you have joined, friends, feeds, Marketplace, videos, memories, you can see there. Now if you head into settings, you'll find various settings. Now you can find your account settings, you can find your preferences, newsfeed and such stuffs, and you can find audience visibility. You can set your account to private by simply tapping on profile locking here, and you can lock your profile from here. You can see I've locked my profile. Similarly, posting on Facebook is the most basic thing. Now how you can post on Facebook? Now simply tap on what's your mind on your home page here. You can see the first option, what's on your mind. Tap on it and you'll be able to type in and create the post, or you can add photo or video. You can see the option there. You can tap on it and you can add photo and video. You can tag people, that post in how you are feeling. You can check in on location, and you can go live as well, and you can use background color on text. You can go easily live through your camera or upload from your camera. You can add GIF and musics as well. So these are the basics to use Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.